Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Ever wanted your videos to have professional cinematic look? They will show you how to add cinematic black bars to your video using Capcut, giving them a wider, more immersive feel. So let's get started. At first, open the Capcut app on your phone and tap on the plus button to create a new project. Select the video you want to add cinematic bars to from your phone's library. Click on Add. Keeping the video selected, tap on Mask and now choose the mirror. Now pinch or spread your fingers on the video to adjust the size of the bars. And once you achieve your desired look, click here to save the changes. Now to make this look even better, we'll use some effect. Simply click on Effects and now on Video Effects, select the opening and closing option. Now choose the horizontal open here and click here to save the changes. Once you're happy with the size and overall look of your cinematic bars, tap the play button to preview the video. And that's it, you've transformed your video with a simple yet impactful cinematic touch using Capcut. Now your videos can have that Hollywood feel without breaking a sweat. Keep reading and editing like a pro, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks. Thank you.